Well, what I like most about this event is educating us on our new businesses that we all are experiencing now. It's all like the car has changed, our customers changed, our employees have changed, their expectations.
I really enjoyed listening to these guys talk. I think they're brilliant. There's a lot of things that we can all take away from this. What we're doing today as far as, capturing and keeping new customers, have probably gotten more out of that than anything else.
I'm here attending the Elite Body Shop Solutions 2019 conference here in Nashville. One thing that has stuck out to me is that I have a lot of work to do on myself, the way that I view our business and the way that I hope to manage our business and grow our business.
I am loving the event so far. A lot of relevant information to keep us motivated to learn more and grow our company. I'm especially excited to learn about Body Shop Booster and hear what Phoenix Group has to say.
The event is far past my expectations in any way possible. The speakers have been unbelievable and great knowledge that I've gained throughout. So looking forward to getting back and putting some things in place.
Powerful speakers, animated speakers, and I just think the information, we got another day and a half of information, is just making my brain hurt.
Well, we've been talking a lot about aha moments that have happened, and my aha moment actually came before I got here, reading Dave's book. And he talked a lot about the victim, playing the victim role, and I think that is a huge infection in our industry, and I know that I've been prey to it. It has really opened my eyes and made me say, you know what, I don't want to be the victim anymore.